Hi guys! Today I will show you how to set dark mode in Google Chrome DevTools. So let's jump into Google Chrome browser. So if you are a dev or you are playing with some source code of website or application and want to change this editor theme into dark, simply go to Settings and under Appearance in first option Theme, just change from light to dark. It requires reload, so let's close the browser and reopen it. When we now open the DevTools, we see that it's in dark mode. So that's the simplest way. Second approach, we can change the theme into System Preference. It requires reload, so let's do this. And now we need to change the system settings into dark mode. So let's jump into Start menu and look for Themes. And under Themes and related settings, we will find in color option default up mode. For now is dark. If we switch into dark, all applications which is supporting dark mode will be in dark mode. So Google Chrome is supporting, and you see the whole window is in dark mode, and also DevTools, but it needs to be reloaded. So let's do it. And now we have whole dark mode application. Hopefully it helps you, and thanks for watching.